Welcome to another Enjoying Art challenge of painting ocean. Today we're going to paint this sailboat in the sea. Enjoying Art is a global artist community. I want to welcome you to join us today. Now let's start today's painting. I have the red shade blue color, so it could be Windsor blue, red shade, or French ultramarine, and mix that with the green shade blue. I'm going to get even more water. Now here you go. Start from the top. And here you go, coming down to the horizon line. Take a little water. First you need to get a little bit red. Continue coming down. Okay, that's good. Just gonna get a little blue coming back over here. The blue color even have some red. Look at that. It's pretty good, the color. Now coming a little bit closer over here, I'm going to have it much darker. I'm going to take a lot more blue. I'm going to take very blue. I'm going to do it wet into wet. Keep using the large brush. To make it darker, I have to use quite a bit of blue plus the red color in order to make it look very dark. If you just get the blue color, it's never dark enough, right? So I'm going to get a little bit red color. Here you go. There's very dark. A little bit more red. And there's a very dark over here too. And the bottom over here a little bit connected. Clean the brush. Start doing a little bit lifting. Not a lot at the front. Now, yes, you go. That's it. Make the brush a little bit clean. Now start over here. I'm going to do a little lifting. Right over here. And now I'm going to change to my calligraphy brush. Now I'm going to take the blue color. Like that. Here you go. Okay. This is good. Now I just finished the background layer. Add a little bit gray color. Just use the calligraphy brush. I'm going to see if I can draw one line come here from a little shape from here all the way. It gives you enough indication. This would be probably the good color. Don't look at the details, just look at the shape. I'm going to just have a little red into the blue color. That will be the color I'm looking for. So I'm going to take a look at it's right in here, just from here to here. Okay. So I'm going to put that, here you go, putting that first marked. And then take a look. This needs to be higher than the water line. Okay, that's good. After you have this mark, and then you can drag it over. There you go, like that. All the way here. Don't make it too big that you want. Okay, that's good. Now that's the shape. Here coming down. Here you go. Right here. That's good. Now I'm gonna have a little line over here. From here all the way come to the top. And move the hand. And it'll be easier. More stable. And okay, a little line over here. Now the line is very thin. That's good. Here you go. Have a little line coming down over here. A little shape over here. Here you go. Even those really tiny line, I'm gonna comprehend. Just use almost just the tip. You see how thin the line you can do. Okay, a little bit like that. and a couple line over here. Here you go. Now I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have this line. That's good. Okay, a little bit detail on the top over here, a little bit detail over here. Alright, I'm gonna paint a little bit greenish. Okay, have some yellow with a little more blue, like that. So I have feeling a little bit more greenish right over here. There you go. And there's a little shape over here, and I'm adding more interesting details. Now we're gonna paint the reflection. First, I'm gonna paint the masses reflection. Okay, now I'm gonna start over here, like that. Moving a little bit. Watch out how it moves. Okay, here you go. Interesting. Okay, here you go. Now a little bit over here. Now I'm gonna turn a little bit, and the bottom over here. Now coming back on this side from this line, there's just no graduate kind of movement, and it's all clear line. Here you go. Now, okay. Now coming into the main line over here, like that. That's good. And take a look on this one. Okay, a little bit stop, and then have a little line over here like this. Very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna have some reflection line, and just pay attention to it to see how it look. Okay, there's very much like not much of a second chances. You have to pay attention to it. Add up a little bit coming this way. There's a little bit thicker over here. Here you go. Now I'm gonna have that line and some very thin line. Look, analyze it, and paint. It sounds easy. Make yourself to observe. That's very important. Make sure you have enough white line and have enough gap in between. That's good. Now here you go. Have some reflection. And under the boat over here, and here is from dark to a little bit lighter. So we use the brush like this way to showing a little bit easier transition. I'm gonna have a little bit dark color into this little airboat. Okay, like that's good. Give a little bit details. Make it a lot more convincing. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have a little thin line. Okay, now I'm ready to give some darker details. I'm gonna have a little red color into the boat. There you go. It's already dry, so pretty easy to do it now. I'm gonna have the line on the top, look again, and keep going. That's good. You go another line. Okay, a few dots. Simple. Okay, the bottom over here, I'm going to have a little separation. Here you go, like that. That's good. That's the bottom. The back of the boat, you see a little line coming through over here, separated. And have two shape on the back. There you go, like that. That's good. Now on this side, have some darker shape, which is the shadow side. There you go. A little shape over here, a little shape over there, a little shape over here, and have a little thin line over here. There you go. Like that. Now coming down here, have a few lines, also have people over here. You can see that. Looks like there's two men standing. Okay. Over here, also the shape a little bit darker. Now this painting is finished.